Hi, I'm Debbie Teeter, Director of Sales Marketing for Garmat USA. I'm here with Lance Ulrich, a 20-year veteran in the paint booth industry. Today we're going to show you how to replace the light tubes in a Garmat light fixture. Lighting is critical to your paint jobs. It can make or break that quality finish.
All right, I'm going to go over quickly with you how to change out a bulb in a fixture. Now, you want a few things. You want glass cleaner, razor blade, tack cloth, screw gun. You want a screw gun that you can set the tension on it, the torque. Normally want to be around 4 because you can strip these bolts off or break them out. So when we remove all our bolts, we want to start in this corner and work our way around, coming back to your top 2. Now, I've got 1 bolt left with a hand at the bottom of the glass, and you're sitting on top, remove that top bolt. Now you're ready to remove your lens. Now, while you have your lens off, let's go ahead and use our cleaner and razor blade, clean the exterior of the lens and the interior. Now, you want to be careful with this magnet. This is an interlock to where if your glass is broke, you will not have spray and be able to spray any flammable material. So be careful around this little magnet here. Now, when you're removing your bulb, you're going to turn this bulb about 1/4 of a turn and it should slide straight out to you. Now, once you have that bulb out, you want to set that to the side, take your tack cloth, clean the interior of this lens out back here, behind your bulbs, get everything out of here, any debris or anything that's gotten inside the fixture. Once you have that all cleaned up, now we're ready to reinstall our bulb. You're going to reinstall the same way pretty much, with your pins horizontal, slide them in the tombstone, turning the bulb 1/4 of a turn until you hear it lock. And then again, you'll have the little notch pointing straight out towards you. Now, when we're reinstalling this glass, you got to be sure that you line this magnet back up on the magnet here in the fixture. One thing you'll know if you have it lined up is you'll have spray air when you complete this project. Now, we want to start every bolt by hand. That assures that we're not getting anything cross-threaded. Now that all of our bolts are started, we're ready to tighten them up. And I just start right back where I started. Working my way around the fixture. Now the last thing you want to do is just wipe down the outside, make sure you get any handprints or anything off of it. And there you have it, successful bulb change.